The single leg deadlift is a great unilateral assistance exercise for the posterior chain. To perform a single leg deadlift, start with a kettlebell or dumbbell next to one of your feet so that you can grab it with the opposite side hand of your planted foot. Hinge at the hip and slightly at the knee while your back leg moves the opposite path to your torso. Keep hinging until you can grab the weight and carefully stand up while keeping your back straight and braced. Repeat the movement with the weight in your hand and trying to keep your shoulders square the entire time. Repeat until your set is complete.